Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth reviews of the best gadgets and accessories on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you laptop users out there. The Havit Hv-F2056 laptop cooler, which I personally believe is the best laptop cooling system available. Now, before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews of fantastic products like this one. Let's jump right into it, shall we? The Havit Hv-F2056 laptop cooler is designed to keep your laptop running at optimal temperatures, whether you're gaming, working, or simply browsing the web. Here's what makes it stand out. First, it's ultra portable. This slim and lightweight cooling pad is a breeze to carry around, making it the perfect companion for those on the go. You can protect your investment wherever you take your laptop. But that's not all. It doubles as an ergonomic stand with 2 adjustable height settings. This means you can find the perfect angle for comfortable typing and viewing. No more straining your wrists or neck. Now, what sets the Hv-F2056 apart is its high-quality multi-directional metal mesh. It not only provides a stable and wear-resistant surface for your laptop but also helps dissipate heat efficiently. Say goodbye to overheating worries. And speaking of heat, the 3 ultra-quiet fans create a noise-free environment for you to concentrate on your tasks or immerse yourself in gaming. You won't even notice they're running. Need more USB ports? This cooling pad has you covered with an extra USB port and a convenient power switch design. It even comes with a built-in dual USB hub, allowing you to connect more USB devices with ease. A quick tip for Type-C connection users. You might need a Type-C to USB adapter as the packaged cable is USB to USB. Always ensure compatibility before purchasing. Now, you might be wondering where you can get your hands on this fantastic product. The Havit Hv-F2056 laptop cooler has a list price of $39.99. But right now, you can grab it for just $27.99, saving yourself $12, which is a 30% discount. It's available on Amazon, and you can find the link in the description below. Please note that the product might have different pricing options from various sellers, so make sure to check them out. Also, it's essential to mention that this item cannot be shipped to all locations. So, be sure to choose an appropriate delivery location when making your purchase. Now, you might be wondering why I believe this is the best laptop cooling system out there. Well, based on my experience, the combination of its portability, ergonomic design, efficient cooling, and extra USB ports make it a winner. It's a well-rounded solution that suits a variety of users. And if you're looking to enhance your computing setup further, you can even bundle it with other items like gaming mice or laptops to create the ultimate workstation. That's a wrap for our review of the Havit Hv-F2056 laptop cooler. If you want to keep your laptop cool, extend its life, and enjoy a comfortable computing experience, this cooling pad is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.